See the difference between AC and DC current. Look at the definition. A current that flows only in one direction continuously is direct current. Current that changes direction at regular interval of time is an alternating current. That is the definition. Look here this animation. This is a DC. This is cell. Cell is a source of DC current or a source of EMF. Then this red dot represents the flow of electrons. Flow of electrons is called electricity. Look here, the current or the electrons are moving only in one direction. That is called a direct current. And here, look here, this is AC. This is a symbol of AC. Look here, this symbol of AC. But here, this red dot, that is electrons are moving to and fro motion like this. This is called alternating current. Here the electrons are moving in both directions. That is called alternating current. That is the main difference that you have to note. Direct current, electrons or electricity is moving only in one direction. And in AC, electrons are moving in both directions. Schematic diagram of an AC generator. This is a field magnet, north and south pole field magnet. And this ABCD represents armature. And there are two rings, R1 and R2. That is slip ring. And there are two brushes, B1 and B2, that are two graphite brushes. These are the main parts of AC generator. Look here, this is the working of AC generator animation. Here, look here, direction of current always changes and bulb glows and diminishes. But when this armature rotated at very fast, the bulb will glows continuously. ഒരു സമയത്ത് ഈ ബ്രഷിൽ അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടുമാണ് കറണ്ട് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കണ്ടോ. ദി ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഓൾവേസ് ചേഞ്ചസ്. One time the electricity will generate this ring, slip ring, and second time the electricity will generate through the second ring like this. Let us know the parts of an AC generator. This is field magnet. It has north and south poles. The armature of an AC generator. There are two slip rings at the end of the armature like this. Fourth part is carbon brushes or graphite brushes. This is the two graphite brushes. And there are two wires attached to each graphite brushes. The other end of the wire we can connect to a bulb or any other electrical equipments. Through this wire, electricity flows to the external circuit. This shows the magnetic lines of force is starting from north pole to south pole, and the magnetic flux density, that is magnetic power, is more at this area, and on top and bottom the magnetic lines of force or flux density is very weak. This is the main idea that we have to keep in our mind. At the center there is a maximum lines of force. Now this is the armature. The red colored part of the armature is now points towards the 0 degree. Now the armature is at the low magnetic dense area, so current developed is 0 because the red colored and two ends of the armature is at the low flux dense area. Now armature rotates 90 degree. Now the armature lies in the high flux density area. Hence current develops is maximum because armature is now located at the center of the two magnets between the two magnets, current E or EMF is maximum. Then armature rotates at 180 degree. Now the both ends of the armature is now located at the low flux denser area, hence current or EMF is zero. The armature again rotates in clockwise direction. Now it rotates at 270 degree. Again the armature lies at the more flux density area, hence current is or EMF is maximum. Then again it rotates 360 degree. That one full cycle is completed. Now red part of the armature again comes to the same position. Then now the EMF developed is again zero, because the both end of the armature coil lies at a less denser area. This is the arrangement of AC generator. The golden colored ring is in contact with blue colored brush. Red colored ring, slip ring, is in contact with red colored brush. Now the armature is at a 0 degree position. It starts its rotation to clockwise direction, that is towards right side. Now the armature rotates. The red colored part is now at the position where number of magnetic flux lines is minimum, so current is now 0. Now it rotates clockwise direction and it gets maximum number of lines of force like this. At the center of this poles of this magnet, lines of force is maximum. Then now the current generated in the armature is maximum, because it cuts maximum number of lines of force. Look at the graph. EMF now increases from 0 to maximum. Now this is the entire arrangement of the AC generator at this position. Red colored ring is in contact with the brush, red in color, and golden ring is in contact with the blue color. Now current developed in the red colored part of the armature. Now this is the direction of flow of current. The current flows through the red colored part of the armature and flows through the red slip ring. This red slip ring is in attached with red colored brush. Hence current now flows through the red colored brush to the outside circuit. Now the armature is at 90 degree position. Armature rotates again like this. Now 180 degree rotation is complete. Now again the armature is in a position where magnetic lines of force is minimum. Now the golden colored part of the armature is at upside and the red colored part is downside. So current is 0 at this stage. Now EMF decreases from maximum to 0. Now this is the position of the armature. The armature again rotates clockwise direction like this. Then current gradually increases, because now the armature cuts maximum magnetic lines of force at this point. It cuts maximum lines of force, so current is maximum. Now again value of EMF increases from 0 to maximum, but graph develops downward direction, that is opposite phase. EMF is develops in the opposite phase. But now current is developed in this golden colored part of the armature. This is the direction of current. The current now flows through the golden colored part of the armature to the external circuit like this, and the golden colored part of the armature is connected to golden colored ring, and this ring is attached to blue brush. So now current flows to the external circuit through the blue brush. The direction is given in this picture. Now again armature rotates and it comes to the original position. Now armature completes 360-degree rotation. Now again the current decreases to 0. EMF decreases from maximum to 0.